Hey y'all, so what we cooking today? We are cooking some golden fried shrimp. If y'all want to see how I do mine, stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Okay y'all, so the first thing I'm going to start doing is putting my fresh grease in the deep fryer. And while that is getting trying to work with one hand. While that is getting hot, then I'm going to tell y'all what all you need or what all I use. I'm gonna have to work on rephrasing it because I'm just showing y'all what I do, not necessarily mean that you have to do every single step that I do. I'm just showing you what I do. So, fresh grease is getting warmed up. Cover on. I got her on the highest setting, which is 375. Now we're gonna come over here. So what I use is, of course, the shrimp. This is regular frozen shrimp from Sam's. I told y'all I don't like frozen for certain stuff, but frying, I will use frozen shrimp when I'm frying it. The work is already done for you. Look at that. Clean, deveined. You can opt to leave the tails on or take them off. The tail is fine. Let me try to heist y'all up here. Okay, y'all, in good fashion of doing videos, y'all know some stuff was playing in the background. People started coming and talking, so now I got to do a voiceover. But that's all right. We're going to get through this. So what I'm showing y'all now is I use regular all-purpose flour, and what I do is just add the fish fry off up in the flour, mix that all together. And I mean, I do that with my fish too. And this is why I'm using, you could do this in a Ziploc bag, but I'm frying some fish as well on this day. So that's why I did it in this container so I can braid the fish up easier. Just a little background story, okay? So on all my seafood, I just put accent and garlic powder on everything. So that's a given. So that's why I'm just going ahead and putting that in first. Now, these seasonings that I have over here are just different types of Cajun seasoning that you can use. Of course, you don't use all of them. No, ma'am. No, sir. Unless you want your mouth twisted up and doing all kinds of breakdancing moves. No, you just want to use one, maybe two. Because we want flavor. We don't want salty. So, I use on this particular day the Raging Cajun and the Slap Your Mama. Okay, that's all I needed. Oh, and I did put in a little Saison, but I like that on everything, y'all. So you can omit that or put that in. Also, we want to do some paprika for the color only. Paprika ain't got no taste. I don't care unless it's smoked paprika. Other than that, paprika ain't got no taste, child. We do it for the color over here. So we want to put that in, mix that around, let all the seasonings come together on the shrimp. That's what you want. And now we're going to coat it with the egg. This is what's going to give it that crispiness. Trust me on this. Trust me. You just need one. That's going to give the crispiness to it. So once it's already coated with the egg, then you're going to throw that all up in that flour mixture and get that all incorporated together before you throw it in the grease. That's what you want. You want this. That's what you want. If you want your shrimp to come out right, okay? bread it, coat it. Let me rewind. Season it. Well, rewind further than that. Wash it good. Season it. Coat it with the egg. Coat it with the breading. And now it's ready for frying. Now my, let me carry y'all over here. She's ready. She is ready, honey. She is ready. So, we're gonna try to shake. Well, we don't really have to shake as much off. And you don't want to crowd your deep fryer. Even though it's shrimp, you don't want to crowd it. You want to give her space so she can fry in peace. We want to social distance the shrimp enough where every piece of shrimp have its own little space. Because the minute you start overcrowding it, it's not gonna fry right. I'm gonna tell y'all, it's gonna be soggy. Okay, so this is enough. You just want it in one layer. You don't want to crowd it and pile it on top of each other, okay? Then you want to slowly drop her in the grease. You just don't want to dump her in there because then all the flour gonna come flying off. Oh, sorry. Y'all face is clean, yeah. So all the flour is gonna start flying off and it's not gonna be as crispy. You want to drop her slowly and then have you, this is a little tray I got with the paper towel ready for her to go in there, okay? So, you want to do a little shimmy and shake it, make sure it's all separated nice and good. And see right there, that's what you want. That's what you want and you need in your life. And if you are sleeping, you better wake up, okay? Look at that. And all you do is let this grease drain. Be patient. Be patient. Let her drain. And dump her right there on the napkin. Look at that. Just look at that. Perfection. Now that's how you do. Focus, yes. That's how you do some golden brown fried shrimp. It's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. Well seasoned. And now we dropping our next batch. So I'm guessing y'all don't have to, you know, see me fry all of the shrimp. If you see one batch fried, you've seen them all. So that's all we have there. I mean, I don't know what else I can tell y'all. If y'all got any questions of anything that I did not cover, just drop it in the comments and your girl will hit you back with the answer. If y'all want to see me cook, fry, bake, because I do that too. Yes, she bakes. I was doing good all this whole video. I was mellow and doing wonderful. And here goes. She wants to come out. My alter ego wants to come out. But if y'all want any to see me bake, cook, fry, fricassee, grill, I can do that too. Let me know, okay? And I will hook it up for y'all. Listen, the holidays are coming. Y'all better drop your requests, which I already got videos. Go back and watch them of some collard greens, cabbage, what else we got? Macaroni and cheese, stuffing, turkey wings, seafood salad. All of that is good, hearty, comfort food / holiday get together food. So go back and check it out, okay? Check it out. So y'all get them dishes together for Thanksgiving that's coming soon. Swiftly, okay? All right, that's it for this video. We gonna have some shrimp and fries today, yes. That's what we, oh shoot. That's what we're fitting to do. Shrimp and fries. Something simple and easy. So get up on her and get up on that. That's good. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Remember to stay blessed, drink plenty of water, and mind your own freaking business. That's all. See y'all later. And I forgot to tell y'all about the sauce that I made. It's just simple that I use as a dipping sauce for the shrimp is some ranch. Got to be Hidden Valley. Has to be Hidden Valley for me. Some ranch dressing and some Texas Pete mixed together, y'all. What y'all know? What y'all know about this? What y'all know about this? And yes, I'm a hot sauce lover. That's what it looks like, but it's really not. So that's what I use, and I mix it all around, and y'all, it is so freaking good. Let me go ahead and bless y'all and do this real quick, like. See, that's right there, the color that you want. And you just dip your shrimp in it. And it's so good. So here we have it, you guys. This is my son's plate. The shrimp and fries all plated up. I wish everybody a happy holidays. I'm so sorry that I was gone so long, but I'm back. Did you miss me? I know y'all did. Anyway, y'all stay blessed. See y'all in the next one. Deuces.